Hi friends, welcome to my channel and hope you're all doing well. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody and may this year be filled with loads of happiness in your life. Today I am reviewing a foundation which I'm using for a very long time, and this has become one of my favorite foundation of all times. Before proceeding, just want to make a request to all of you that I will really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and also hit on that like button. So yeah, without much further delay, let's just jump into the video straight. The foundation which I will be talking today is this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. This is a 2-in-1 product. It's a concealer plus foundation. I was eyeing this for a very long time and finally I got mine from Walmart at around $9. So this is really a very budget friendly product. Since I have tried this foundation for a very long time, so I thought that it is now the perfect time to review this product and also to tell you my honest opinion about it. Now, first of all, talking about this foundation, oh my god, I just love the way it sets on my skin by giving it a very healthy texture. I have a dry to combination skin where my T-zone at times become oily. Now in MAC I'm in the shade NC30, and here for this Milani one I'm using the shade called 02 Natural. So if any of you guys are in the NC30 shade in MAC foundation, you know which shade to pick up for this Milani foundation. I really like the ombre effect which it comes in this packaging. And the best thing about this foundation which I really like is that it has a pump. Now this is a long wearing foundation. This has got a very thick texture which might make you think that this can be heavy on your skin, but actually it is not. This has got a very lightweight formula. After applying this foundation, you will not feel like that you have applied any foundation. It sets on your skin so beautifully. This is a go-to product. That is, when you are in a hurry, when you are short of time, you just apply this foundation and you are good to go. There is no need of applying any concealer or any other products. This foundation comes in a 30 ml bottle, which is pretty nice. And it's also being stated that it has got a water-resistant formula. That means it will not clog your pores. And it has also got a sweat-proof formula. That is, this foundation is perfect for hot and humid weather. Now this gives quite a decent coverage, and if you feel like, you can also build this up to a full coverage foundation. You can apply this foundation with your fingertips as it's being said here, but I'm much more comfortable in applying either with a foundation brush or with a beauty blender. The basic rule for applying foundation, always remember that you have to apply a primer at first and then you apply the foundation, and set this all with the compact powder. Primer helps your foundation to last for a very long time. Milani has got total 19 shades in its foundation range. Today I have applied this foundation. I'm in the shade 02 Natural, and you can see that this gives such a dewy effect on the skin as well as a healthy glow to it. Now I will show you a demo where I have applied this foundation. At one part I've applied this with a foundation brush, and on the other part I've applied this with a beauty blender. And this foundation also looks superb in photos. I will be applying the foundation with the help of this foundation brush on this side, and on the other side I will be applying the foundation with the help of the beauty blender. I'm just taking a small pump of this, applying in dots, blending the foundation with the foundation brush. You can see the difference now. This side is, I have not applied the foundation. This side already applied the foundation. Now taking a little more amount of this foundation, applying in dots. Now blending this with my damp beauty blender. This is how it looks. I've applied with the foundation brush as well as with the beauty blender. You can see that this foundation gives such a glowing effect to the skin. And it looks absolutely even. So overall, I feel that this foundation is really superb and it works great for those people who have dry skin and combination skin. This foundation indeed gives a dewy, healthy glow to the skin. I also do honestly feel that this foundation doesn't work those who have oily skin type, because it will make you look much more oily. Foundation works like magic if you have dry skin or combination skin or dry to combination skin, but this foundation is not at all meant for oily skin type. And if you don't have any big skin problem like blemishes or acne or any pigmentation marks, this foundation really do acts as a two-in-one formula, that is the foundation and concealer. You don't need to apply concealer separately. But if you have any kind of skin problem or any kind of skin issue, I will suggest that you first apply the concealer and then go ahead with this foundation. So this was my honest review regarding this foundation, which has worked like magic on my skin. Now this is not at all a sponsored video. I have stated my opinion regarding this product, which I genuinely feel. If you have liked today's video, please hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Till then, you all take care. Bye.